Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Band 4C, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from your phone. To unpair this smart band from your phone, open the XIAOMI Wear application on the phone that is paired with your smart band. In the app, you should see the status page. Now tap on the profile icon. Here, scroll all the way down. Tap on the Unpair button. Then tap on Unpair button again to confirm. And your band should vibrate. Also, you should see this screen. That means that the device is unpaired from your phone. And that's how you unpair this smart band from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.